A minor. A minor. Right, guys?
I mean, look, the type of world we live in right now, bro. These miners are taking over the world, bro. You know what I mean? And look, ऐसे तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा ना कि even like back when I was a miner, bro. You know what I mean? Back in my day, मेरे ज़माने में भी थे miners who were doing a lot. You know what I mean? But back then, you didn't really used to think too much about it. Why? Because you were a miner as well, and you're like, मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, मैं कहाँ पे जी रहा हूँ, उसके हिसाब से मैं कहीं पे पहुँचूंगा ना. But then now you're like an old ass motherfucker now, bro. Especially like a couple years back. Say, seeing all these successful people इन लोग का एज वगैरह देख करके ज़्यादा अंदर बोलते हैं ना, मतलब like it's been लकी का गाना like heavy on my heart type shit, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? And एंड एज बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब देखने को आ गया है भाई कि ये इतना सक्सेसफुल, इसका उम्र कितना है, मालूम पड़ा जो 12 साल का है. कल ही पैदा हुआ है बेंच. फॉर रियल ब्रो, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ऐसा कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा कि एंड इवन कोई आपसे क्लोज हो, मान लो 23 साल का हो, एंड लाइक भाई मैं अगले साल ही होने वाला हूँ, बेंच मैं पहुँच पाऊंगा क्या उधर. यू नो आई मीन, things definitely have not been going the way I would have wanted to, you know what I mean? And थोड़ा बहुत तो उसमें किस्मत का भी खेल था, and majority of the stuff is like you only get as far as you work for, you know what I'm saying? Like luck वगैरह आता है, but luck only appears when you are working for it, you know what I mean? लक को कोई क्या बोल देगा कि सबसे लंड सी बुक थी मैल्कम ग्लैडवेल की, मुझे उसका नाम भी याद नहीं आ रहा है, पर मुझे ऑथर का नाम याद है. वो बहनचोद उस पूरे बुक में उसने क्या बोल दिया था ना, मतलब बेसिकली कि जो भी चीज़ होता है लक से होता है. कि बिल गेट्स को स्कूल में डाला गया है ना, बिल गेट्स को स्कूल में डाला गया, उसको ऐसी उसकी मम्मी की फ्रेंड मिली जिसके पास कंप्यूटर था, ठीक है. अरे पर लौड़े, उसको इंटरेस्ट था तभी ना कुछ हो पाया. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन? लाइक इफ यू if you're like putting each and everything on luck now, bro, it's like a very bummy way to say like I'm accepting defeat. You know what I'm saying? If things not go your way, because things will not go your way right off the bat. You know what I'm saying? Some people are like that कि you know what I'm saying, start करते करते बहुत आगे पहुंच गए लौड़ा लहसुन. But in this world we live in, since the beginning of times, those are the things that come to your vision. All right, like you feel me? Those are the things that you see. Failure, struggles, लौड़ा लहसुन दिखता ही नहीं है. You have to go and look for it. You get what I'm saying? So that's how it is, bro. And yeah, as of late now, bro, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब उभर उभर के ही आ रहा है, like you know what I'm saying? And even I watch a lot of football, and हर कोई मेरी उम्र का है, bro. हर कोई, when I was 15, 16, तब कुछ लगता नहीं था. Even when I was at 9, even when I was like 20 something now, bro, then 18 something, then 21-22 साल वालों को देख के कुछ लगता था नहीं, अरे मैं तो 2-3 साल मुझसे बड़े ही हैं क्या, है ना. एंड नाउ लाइक फ्लोरियन वर्ड्स भी का है, ब्रो, 116 मिलियन के लिए, ओके, 116 मिलियन पाउंड्स, यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. मतलब मुझसे 2 महीने छोटा है वो. ऑल राइट. So it does get heavy to your heart, but it should not, set you back in any type of way, okay? It's interesting though, right, that we think about stuff like this, isn't it? I think it's interesting, okay? And if you just want to get happy now, bro, by like, you know what I'm saying, by like thinking ki, oh, like 4 years back I was not like this, I was some other type of way, all right? Look, I'm not saying that's not bad, all right? Like, even though I have not have any kind of visual success, कि 4 साल में यहाँ से यहाँ पे आया, but internally I do see changes in myself, okay? And that should make you some type of, you know what I'm saying, like make you feel some type of way. Everything is not visual at all times, but yeah, we also should like strive for visual change. And which, कोई भी बाहर से देख करके बोल दे यार क्या उसका मतलब पलट दिया उसने, bro. That's what we all strive for, you know what I'm saying? कि you work so hard that your success speaks. That's what I'm trying to say basically, right? But yeah, since we're on this motherfucker, bro, let's just visit some of these, you feel me, some of these miners, bro, some of these fucking miners that just, you know what I'm saying,